This ain't the United States. That's an ostrich. This man is cooking a whole ostrich. Look at that big old soup kitchen pot. You got to fill it with a water hose. That man cooking a whole ostrich, y'all. Where they at? The biggest thing we get is a turkey, and that's only in November. I need to see what the inside of that gonna look like at the end. Ooh, that's nice. That's real nice. Ooh wee. You're doing a very good job, sir. That's a very beautiful thing you got going on right there. Oh, what the hell? My bad. That ain't done? You